In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a wire transfer on Coinbase. Wire transfer money to Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app to find the wire transfer options and what to expect when depositing or withdrawing with a wire. Quick note before we start, wire transfers are different from card payments or ACH. They can carry fees, have minimums, and usually take 1 to 3 business days. Make sure your Coinbase account is set up and supported for wires in your region. And remember that wires are generally not reversible. Go ahead and open your Coinbase app. Once it loads, you'll land on the home screen. This is the main dashboard where you typically see your portfolio, watch lists, and recent price movements. From here, we're going to access the menu that holds your account settings. Look toward the top left of the screen and tap the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main navigation panel. It's sometimes called the hamburger menu, and it's the quickest path to the settings you need for bank-related actions. In the menu, select Account and Settings. This is the section where Coinbase keeps your personal information, security options, payment methods, and transfer tools. Tapping in here helps you manage how money moves in and out of your account. Next, choose Wire Transfer. Depending on your location, this may appear as wire or bank wire, but it leads to the same place. On this screen, Coinbase will surface your available wire options and any important notices such as limits, fees, or eligibility messages. Here you'll see that you can withdraw or deposit a wire transfer. If you're depositing, you're moving money into Coinbase. The deposit area will display the wire instructions and bank details that are specific to your account. Read any notes on required references or memos carefully, since missing information can delay a deposit. Only send from a bank account in your name, and keep in mind that domestic and international wires can have different details and fees. If you're withdrawing, you're sending funds from Coinbase back to your bank via wire. You'll choose the amount and select the eligible bank destination. Double check everything before confirming. Wire transfers are designed to be fast and final, and corrections after submission are difficult. Processing time can vary by bank and business day cutoffs. That's it. Open the app, go to the home screen, tap the 3 lines, select Account and Settings, then Wire Transfer, and choose Deposit or Withdraw. Review any on-screen guidance about limits, fees, and timing, and you'll be set to move money confidently with a wire on Coinbase.